Before we start this video, I just want to quickly say that this is a collab with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Stephanie Kondo. You guys should definitely go check out her videos. They are so professional, they are so aesthetically pleasing, and just like, she deserves so many more subscribers, so definitely go show her channel some love. She also filmed a morning routine up on her channel, so I'll leave that below. But yeah, let's get right into it. Hi guys, so I just woke up and today I'm going to be filming a morning routine summer edition. Also, can we just not mind this little situation going on here? I'm currently using some like special creams to get rid of some pimples, and it's making my face really red on this side. So alright, to be honest, the first thing I usually do when I get up in the morning is go on my phone. Look at Harry videos, Harry photos. Like, are we kidding? Look how beautiful. This is going to be literally my new lock screen. Currently just watching James Charles's new video. I'm obsessed with him. Also, if I haven't already, I do go and reply to comments on some of my YouTube videos. Alright, now it's time for skincare. Usually I just cleanse and tone and moisturize. So first I just use the Sukin facial cleanser. This is a foaming one, and I just like to get a little like towel. Alright, now I just use the Witch Hazel toner. This stuff is amazing. I just put this all over my face, and it just kind of like, I think it opens my pores or closes them, I'm not really sure. I really look like death. Then I go in with my Sukin facial moisturizer. This is like oil free, and because my skin can get oily, especially around the T-zone, this is like perfect. So I just put a little bit of this on. Then I use this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the one with aloe, herbs and rose water. This stuff is amazing, I talk about it all the time. So for breakfast, if you're wondering what this is just some cornflakes, yogurt and apricot. Because it's holidays, I've got nothing else to do, so I'm just going to be watching some series of unfortunate events.
There are no noble people in the world. Our parents.
This is the outfit. I'm just wearing this top that's from Cotton On, and then these shorts that are also from Cotton On, and then my Pumas. Don't mind my dad deciding to mow the lawn as soon as I turn this on. So now I just do my makeup. First I just put some perfume on because we want to smell nice. So I'm just going to be using my One Direction perfume. This is the Our Moment one. This stuff's amazing. I've literally got another box of it in my cupboard because it's just that good. Like, I'm gonna just keep rebuying it. Now, because I'm not really going anywhere, I'm just gonna be doing concealer and mascara just in case I do go on a bit of like a road trip or something today. I'm not exactly sure. By the way, I cracked my mirror. It's great. So it doesn't really work that well, but we're just gonna go with it. So I'm just gonna use my Camouflage Essence Concealer. I use this all the time. It's really cheap, so I just use it when I'm not really going anywhere special. And it is actually really good. While I'm doing my makeup, I always listen to music. I cannot go a day without listening to music. Because I'm obsessed right now, we're gonna be listening to Queen. There's nothing else really to say about that, to be honest. This always puts me in a good mood. Also, I'm going to be using a bit of this NARS concealer. This is the soft matte one in the shade Vanilla. I'm just going to put that over like the big spots. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte Maker powder. This stuff is so good. I just put this everywhere. Now I'm going to be using mascara. This is just the Nutrimics Luscious Lash Mascara. And I'm just going to be lightly... yeah. Anyway guys, that is my finished morning routine for the holidays. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to go check out Stephanie's video. I'll link it below. Her videos are amazing and you guys should definitely go check them out. So subscribe to her while you're there, show her some love. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.